Hi guys, are you looking for a tool that will help you create an animated character that will be talking in your voice or any other voice that you give to it? Well, I have a solution for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
So to do that, we're going to use one of Adobe's tools. It's called Adobe Express. I'll leave the link in the description. So when you go by this link, you're going to land on this page. Here you need to click on this button over here, Make Animations for YouTube. So we click on it, and as you see, the UI is very simple. So you will figure it out in less than a minute. There's only this part that says record your voice or choose an audio file from your computer, and this part where we can choose our characters. We can choose different categories: creatures, humans, food, etc. The background over here. So you can change the background, for example, or if you have a specific image you want to use as a background, you can upload it from here. And the size. So it depends what kind of platform you are going to use. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever you want. Alright, so now let's start. So now let's give it an audio file that it can work with. So here I'm going to choose a file from the computer. Alright, this audio. And now it's going to take a while until it processes it and do the rest of the job. So now we need to wait and see what the result is. Alright, so the character is ready and now it's synced with the audio that we gave to it. So now let's see what we got here.
If you're interested in AI-related content and want to stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more engaging and informative content for all AI enthusiasts.
Not bad, isn't it? So now all you have to do is go here and download it. But before you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up. So once you are signed up, you can download it for free. Alright guys, that was all for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.